Greetings, my name is Meg, Rockstar Dietitian with REX Nutrition Services, and I am happy to bring to you today information on how to make a delicious and easy and most importantly economical breakfast casserole using our ingredients from the food pantry, which is my feature today. This dish is very easy. Anybody can make it, including young children, so long as you don't mind them making a little bit of a mess in the kitchen. Some of the directions that you may find on the website associated with this recipe call for the ingredients to be layered in the casserole dish. Either way, it all works. And so I'm going to go with the second version, which is just sort of mix everything into a bowl. Your eggs, so 6 eggs, put those in, and certainly you can use a whisk, but maybe everybody doesn't have a whisk, so a fork works just fine. And what's also nice is you can use gluten-free products if that's your nutritional inclination. I'm using, in this particular case, regular with gluten products, and you can also increase the nutritional value by adding oats or wheat germ or flaxseed meal, chia seeds. Truly the sky's the limit with regard to embellishing this dish to make it more nutritional or to suit your needs. So very simple, I'm just going to scramble the eggs. An associate left some feta cheese, so I'm going to add that. You can add cheese, no cheese. I'm going to add our canned vegetables. And what's also nice about this particular dish is you can add any vegetables you have, maybe leftover roasted vegetables, maybe you have some greens that you want to use before they go bad, whatever. You can saute your onions or use them raw. I'm going to go use them raw. And I'm probably going to have to graduate over to using a spoon. You can use meat, you can add meat, that being what we would want is a low sodium breakfast meat or even a lunch meat if you had it left over. I'm going to go ahead and add that. Whoa, this is going to be a delicious hearty dish. You can use water instead of milk. Again, all types of alternative options for this particular dish. And then I'm going to add the pancake mix and stir this all nicely. Some seasonings, a little bit of pepper. You can add hot sauce if you like it spicy. I'm going to add some thyme, and I'm going to go ahead and add the oats. And look at that, super easy. And what's also equally nice about this particular dish is once you get it all mixed together, you can put it in your pan and refrigerate it until you're ready to put it in the oven. Note, if you are using a glass dish, just to let that glass dish sit out on the counter for about a half hour before you put it in the oven. Or alternatively, you might be able to turn your oven on with the cold dish in a cold oven in a cold dish. Okay, and that is quick and easy, economical, using our delicious food pantry items. And I'm going to put it in the oven. Here we go, putting it in the oven. It's a hot oven. Okay, wow, yum. This smells delicious, and I know you viewers can't smell, but this is very heartwarming and warming smelling. I hope you all brought an appetite because this is a wonderful dish that will warm you and sustain you. We all want to be nourished, and this is a very economical and easy dish to prepare. Enjoy.